How to find the right stockbroker for your needs. Finding a stockbroker depends upon several things, whether you need some hand-holding or whether you just wanted to go with a deep discounter. If you wanted to trade yourself, you could go with a deep discounter such as Charles Schwab, Fidelity, TD Waterhouse, Thinkorswim. There are a number of online brokers who will provide you with discounted trading opportunities. Some of the questions you'll want to ask any of the companies that you sign up under are the fees that are associated with opening up an account. Do they have a minimum monthly charge that they will charge you just for opening up an account? Is there any monthly maintenance fees? Do they give you the ability to paper trade, the ability to let for you to know their platform and to get used to some of the screens that they'll be providing you with? As far as customer service goes, they offer 24-hour customer service if needed. Most companies that are trading in Forexes, which are obviously 24-hour systems, have 24-hour customer service. Most of the deep discounters only offer customer service 2 or 3 hours prior to trading and then 2 or 3 hours afterwards. If you're going to be parking cash there, what are their rates as far as money markets go? If you're going to be borrowing and buying stock on margin, what are their margin rates? And lastly, do they charge an inactivity fee? If you decide to sit out the market for a few months and unsure of which way the market's trading, do they have any parking fees or inactivity fees? If you're looking for some hand-holding, a full-service broker may be a better fit. You'll have access to their research department as well as some hand-holding from your broker. Commissions will vary from broker to broker, again, depending upon how much hand-holding you need. As far as finding a broker, the best way to start is to ask friends or family or successful colleagues. You always want to, find a winner and then go with them. After contacting your potential broker, what you'll first want to do is set up an appointment. This should be a freebie. There should not be any charge for it. At your meeting, you should be discussing several things. Number one, what you want your money to do, what the goal of it is for. If it's either long-term or more at-risk capital, something that you can stand to take a loss in, but hopefully the rewards will be high as well. Your broker should be asking you a lot of questions as far as, again, what you want your money to do, your lifestyle, and your risk tolerance. So if you get one thing out of this, make sure that you're interviewing your broker as much as he is interviewing you. One important thing to recognize is that your stockbroker is a salesperson. They get paid for managing your assets, and they get paid per trade. The more money you bring in, the more money they generate, the more in commissions you're going to get paid for. As far as trading goes, unfortunately, losses are an everyday part of any successful trader. How you limit those losses and how you deal with them will determine the success or failure of your stocks and your investments. So don't be surprised if there are some bad trades that your broker gets you into. It's all part of investing. If you run into a problem with your broker as far as excess trading, or if you feel that there are some trades that that he did on your behalf that you didn't okay him for, the first course of action is to go to the sales manager. If you don't get satisfaction from the sales manager, you want to contact the compliance department of the company, the stock company that you're going with. And finally, the third option would be to contact FINRA. That's FINRA.org. And that is the governing body of financial services. You'll also find out if there's been any disciplinary action against your broker previously. So it might be a good idea to check out the FINRA.org website before you decide to entrust anybody with your money. This is Larry Lane for InvestorZoo.com. If you would like to read any additional blogs or would like to post one of your own, visit us at investorzoo.com. Have a profitable day.